Sean, you did not!
Wow. Jeep got scared.
First stall of the Jamboree.
Coming down. Nice and easy. There you go. Perfect. That's twice.
Evan just stalled for the first time on the trip. So did the guy in front of us.
Oh no. How?
Evan stalled.
Not asking yet. There it is. That's what Sam did.
Stalled it.
Hard this way. Hard driver. Hard driver. Right there. Come forward. Oh, come on.
Just had my 5th stall of the day.
Was that a stall? Sounded like it. Oh no! Sean got a stall. Stalled already.
Easy. Yep, I see the teacher.
Stalled already? Nice. Alright, our turn. I've installed it. Coming up this obstacle.
I think it might be above my tire, unfortunately. No, stalled.
Stall Kings!
Stall king of the day.
Nice and slow. Alright, now a little bit. Start going driver. Perfect. Right there. Right there. Perfect. Oh, I stalled it. Oh, good thing you covered. When it slips, then it tends to
Stalled out. First stall of the trip.
Throw your front on.
Stalled it.
I did, in fact, just have my 2nd stall, Dad, in case you're curious.
Sounded like a starter.
A starter? I don't think so.
It did sound like he was trying to start his vehicle again, but it doesn't have auto stop start, I don't think.
Andy says that I have to tell the Stall Kings vloggers that are here today that I'm at 2 stalls so far today, and I think 1 last night.
We did see that, but being that we were on the later side of the time that we agreed to, we decided that maybe we would let those pass unspoken.
Oh no, I vlogged them. I just didn't get them on film, but Sean's 2, Evan's 0. We won't count the one from last.
Yeah, let that slip.